Yeah, so I'm kind of probably the minority in here because I don't have a marketing agency or anything. I still operate out of a Franklin Covey planner just to
I
show
love
you. I
that.
got okay,
I
so
love that. That's
I'm
so
I
cool.
just I just went 3 decades into this business consulting industry. I am not an AI guy. Matter of fact, you guys are all still talking a different language, so I'm dating myself with the planner. But this is one thing I do know, and I'll just speak for me. Um,
Please.
if you would ask me a couple months ago that I would even entertain doing something like this, it's ridiculous. But this system, by far, I've seen a lot. I've spent a lot. Our company has spent a lot. My collaborations, lead gen is just a mess. This is by far the best system I've ever seen. And even in ding dong like me that has to go through this thing 50 million times, I would say this, and I'll speak for me. One thing I'm learning, I'm listening, and thank you for letting me even be here today, guys. So, is
Oh,
that the more I go in it and just kind of use it, the more I learn versus learn about it. Like I'll go through the little snippet videos and the courses, but I just have to get with it. And you guys got a great staff and a great support system. I know I've driven them crazy, believe me, but they're just wonderful people. And Ebony's been wonderful helping me. And so I would just say this, Trevor, just get in it and just drive it. That's
and
one thing I'm learning because when you drive it, I'm not doing marketing. Like I'm a business consultant, so I'm how I use it. Just if I may, for a second, is
yeah,
it's as
please.
simple as offering the 20 free leads, and then I teach an accelerated advanced sales, program, and it's as simple as giving a call, introducing myself. They're already happy because I gave them something. It's like, what's the catch? There is no catch. Hey, would you be opposed to have a 20-minute conversation to discuss where you are? How's your business? How's this? And you know what? It's as simple for me as good. And so I will just say that's working. I'm learning. I don't quite understand the influencer stuff, but that's okay. But the autopilot is a beast. And by the way, I just found out this is me. You can do a search and now you can like set it automatically on autopilot now. That's a new feature that I didn't see. And again, the Franklin Covey guy, okay, that figured it out. So I'm learning and I just love it. So I'm here to learn as much as possible, guys. So thank you for Walt, Johan, what you guys are doing. I'm just sitting and listen, but excellent, just excellent. I love it.